Welcome back. Once you're logged on to the VMware Horizon and you're on your virtual desktop, I'm going to show you how to get your photos onto this virtual desktop so that you can then edit them in Photoshop. So I took photos on my phone and on my camera and uploaded them to my computer and then uploaded them to Google Photos. If you're on your phone, you can directly upload them to Google Drive, into a folder, or into Google Photos, and then have access to them that way. If they're on the camera, you'll have to get them onto the computer and then somehow into the same Google Photos or Google Drive. So here I have my photos in Google Photos. I have a folder here called Photoshop Exercises, and I'm going to click on that. And I have all these photographs here. I only put 8 in. That's all we really need for this tutorial. And I need to get them out of Photos and onto the desktop of this virtual desktop. So I'm going to go up here to these 3 little buttons, and I'm going to click Download All. And then a little window kind of happens. At the bottom, you see Photoshop, exercises.zip. And once that's done spiraling, that means it's downloaded. So I'm going to minimize this Google window. I have to go over here on the left to this PC. And then here, there's this button called Downloads. And there it is, my Photoshop exercises zip. Now, I'm going to do this right here in my downloads. I'm going to double click and open it. And there's all of my photos. Quick and easy. I'm going to click the first one, hold the Shift key, click the last one. All of them are selected. And I'm just going to drag them over here to the desktop. Now, as you do this, your desktop is going to get kind of messy and you're going to have pictures everywhere. So last time I showed you how to do text, and there's the social messages folder I made. So this is a PC. So if you're used to a Mac, if I control click to make a folder, nothing happens. But if I 2-finger click, I can create a new folder. So a hard 2-finger click on my Mac will do that. If you're on a PC, if you're used to a PC, I think it's control click maybe, or a right click. I don't have a right clicker on my Mac. So I'm going to call this Photoshop Exercise 3. So that's Photoshop Exercise 3. And then I'm going to take all of these pictures and put them in. Now it's going to ask you, these are harmful to your computer. I'm just clicking and dragging, selecting them all, do this a little faster, dump them in there. Yes, they might be harmful. That's fine. I know where they came from. So now I have this Photoshop folder, and I can go in there, open that, and all my pictures are there, ready for me to use to edit in Photoshop.